Hey everyone, welcome back to 2020 Auto Spa. So today we've got a Subaru WRX. We're knocking out some paint protection film, some ceramic coating, and getting this thing all wrapped up. So soon you're going to be seeing us lay down a full hood. So we're actually going to do a bulk install on the hood. We've already got the front bumper laid, so we'll let you guys see what a finished product looks like there. We've got the wheels taken off already, and then we're going to get ready to do some paint correction and ceramic coating on the rest of the body as well. Alrighty guys, so we're getting ready to lay down this hood. So we're going to do a bulk install. So beforehand, before we get going, we're going to of course wet the back of our film, try to soften it up, that way it releases a little bit easier. And then of course we're going to have the glue side up, that way we can spray the water down on it, that way if there's any dirt in the air, it's on top, and then when we flip it, all the dirt will dry. So. Alrighty, so we got our corners tacked down right here. We're just getting this tacked down to the fender so that we can kind of have basically 3 hands. Of course, as me and Chris get ready to work, we're not going to want this film to start moving on us. We've got this hood laid down. We are going to heat seal these edges in. We've got a couple of work marks that we're going to work through. We're going to make sure we heat those up first, make sure that this is perfect for our client. Alrighty guys, we're back for day 2. So today is the paint correction day. So we'll be actually doing the correction work today, and we'll be laying the ceramic coating. So we're going to lay the ceramic coat 9/8, and we're going to lay the top coat as well. So. Getting ready to set up the nano primer for the front windshield. So I always do a nice little polish on the front windshield just to make sure the surface is good to go before we lay down the glass coating. So, you know, nothing too crazy, but it's just a surface prep that we're using, and it's just in polished form versus a actual sprayable surface prep.